This video covers two topics. 1. How to deploy ChartExpo for Excel and Office 365 Admin Center. 2. How to set up domain users in ChartExpo for Excel. First, we will discuss how to deploy ChartExpo for Excel and Office 365 Admin Center. Log into your Office 365 Admin Center. Please navigate to Microsoft AppSource using the following link to install ChartExpo. Enter ChartExpo in the search bar to find ChartExpo for Excel. Click on the Get It Now button. Please enter your details and click on the Get It Now button. Next, it will ask for users who can use the ChartExpo for Excel in your organization. Choose specific users or groups. Click on the Finish Deployment button. After the deployment is complete, ChartExpo for Excel will be added in the Apps list in Admin Center. Click on the Open in Excel Online button. Now we will discuss how to set up domain users in ChartExpo for Excel. Click on the Add-ins button. Once the ChartExpo add-in is installed, it should display in My Add-ins. Click on the ChartExpo add-in. Click on the menu icon. Click on the Manage License menu option. This domain name will be considered for the subscription. Domain admin will be the default user. You can add more Microsoft-enabled users. A domain admin license is provided at no cost with the purchase of a user license. Enter another email and click on the Add button. Follow the same steps to add more users. Click on the Buy Now button. You can buy monthly or yearly subscription. You can see users and pricing summary in the table. Note, admin user is free. Select your preferred payment method, PayPal, Google Pay, or credit card. Let's discuss all three payment methods, starting with PayPal. Click on the Checkout with PayPal button. If you already have a PayPal account, please log in and proceed to the checkout page. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can use Guest Checkout. Click on the Pay with Debit or Credit Card button. Kindly complete the fields, then click on the Agree and Subscribe button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a domain subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. Now, let's explore Google Pay payment method. Select Google Pay payment method from the drop-down list. Click on the Checkout with Google Pay button. Click on the Buy with Google Pay button. This email will be used for payment. Kindly complete the fields, then click on the Pay button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a domain subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. Now, let's explore credit card payment method. Select credit card as payment method from the drop-down. Click on the Pay with Credit Card button. Kindly complete the fields. Click on the Pay with Credit Card button. Click on the Continue button. Click on the Reload Add-in button. You have successfully purchased a domain subscription and are now ready to use the ChartExpo add-in. Following versions of Excel are supported by ChartExpo. We appreciate your business. Thank you. Please remember to subscribe to our channel.